Alright, what's going on? Wanna play a little music? A little bit of music, they say. Alright. Maybe turn that down a little bit. Perfect. Alright, give me a 1 second. Alright, we're starting it off. How are we doing? In a little bit. A little bit of inconsistency on my end. I had stuff going on. Holidays, family visiting. Well, let's check in. Where are we at? So I have a PA freshly activated. Got a freshly activated PA. Haven't taken any trades on it. Apex is running at 90% off sale right now, so I picked up 2 more challenges and I created a little group with those. So I'm gonna, or evals. I'm gonna try to pass these 2 evals pretty quick and get them all to PA, so then I have 3 PAs, and I'm gonna try to trade those for payouts. That's just kind of where I'm at right now. I'm trading evals. I have a PA just waiting on me. It's already been activated, already paid for, and we're looking to take these evals to PAs. So I will be trading with about 10 contracts per account, sizing up a little bit, looking to pass this hopefully relatively quick. I'm not trying to take months to pass these evals, especially with them being cheap, but I don't want to just blow them like a fool. So that's where I'm at with that. What are we seeing? All right, so just starting from a high time frame, if we're looking at a daily, and then just making our way down and looking at what we're seeing here. So we have pretty high volume here as we held this level of support right here. You see we held that, and we're moving higher, breaking above this candle, and closing above that candle. 8 hour, same thing, right? We made a move up, we kind of got some consolidation, we pulled back, we held this level of support in here, and we moved higher, and we're trying to push higher. So this is an interesting one to watch, see if we can close above that like 285-ish area, 290, somewhere in there. That's a curious one, but if we're looking at this, we trended down, we held support, we made a pretty good move to the upside. We started to pull back a little bit, we held this level here, and we started to move higher. So we'll see how that candle closes on the 8 hour. 4 hour, same thing, right? We got that consolidation, we got that pullback, we held support, we moved higher, and we had this level of resistance here that we pulled back, held here, support, broke higher, and now we're trying to hold this previous resistance turn support. So I like this. I like potential move to the upside today. I like the move to the upside today. 1 hour, we're kind of on the same thing, right? We have that level of resistance in here. We've broken above it. We're trying to hold it. So that's just a really top-down look at things. I'll probably just have the 15-minute up or so. Watch that. But I do like this little retest here and hold. If we can get the retest and hold here, I'd probably look to prolong this. We are above all the EMAs. We have kind of shifted out of that downtrend and started to break higher. So I think there's some potential. That's really it. I definitely have a bias to the upside today. Maybe I'll just chart the pre-market high here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry about that. It's like pre-market low in here. I don't love this song. What I mean? Not a whole lot. How you doing? Wait. A little bit of a dump before the market opens. I was kind of looking for a long, but this changes some things. I hear you now. What's up?
I said, level-wise, where do you have your nearest supported resistance?
Below where we're at, I'm like 220, somewhere down there. Above us, like 290.
Comes the story of a hurricane and a temple lost like quiet tears in rain. No love is lost, or no sweet wisdom gained. So save your tears and save yourself the shame. We left the house and took a step outside. I could taste in the air a familiar sense of pride. And the wind it blows, you held your head up high. Then I saw the clouds draw storms into your eyes. Oh, cyclone. He's my man beside
Wow, what a dump.
Wow, yeah. I wish it was a nicer setup. I was kind of looking at like 260, but eh. Did you trade on Friday?
I took a really small trade on Friday just to pass an account. I needed like $100, so I just scalped real quick.
Oh, nice. So not really.
What's that?
Probably called it a day after that.
Yeah. I just in the morning it was pumping, so I just got long with a few contracts and got out. It was pretty quick. Yeah, it wasn't like a crazy setup or anything.
Wanted to take along that morning, but I had to go to work,
Hmm.
so I didn't take anything.
Yeah, it was a nice
Back
setup
later
for a
and I was
long.
like, ugh. Had a nice pump.
Mm-hmm.
Dang, drop. My support area is at like 150.
Like erasing that entire. Yeah, I have 150 as well. It's erasing that entire like pre-market move up.
Wish that pre-market range was a little cleaner. I would have took that, but
I want to see us reclaim 220 and then move back up. I don't know if it will happen, but
Don't call my name, don't pray for me. I'm sad to go, but space I need. Don't wait for time, he can step to the side. Just be true to yourself, you've got nothing to hide. For the yarn that we spin and the loving we've been, you can take as long, just as long as it takes. For the yarn that we spin and the loving we've been, you can take as
I tried a long there.
Hey, what?
I said I tried a long off when we held 220 there. Try to take it up to like 260. See.
I wanna get lost, I wanna get loud
Oh, it's so close. Get me. 55, please.
Yeah, VIX is kind of not moving too much, so volatility is not too crazy today.
Nice. I got my first target. Now I just have runners.
Nice.
I got a couple of eval accounts. I got a PA freshly loaded, but I got a couple evals I'm trying to pass because they have a 90% off sale right now.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
So right now I'm just trying to, since I already activated my PA, I'm just sitting on that. Just try to get these up to PA as well. Oh my, it's treating me nice. Wow.
How far does it want to go?
For real, I'm about to take it off at 85 or 84. I wonder if it runs after that. I was overall bullish on the day. But I don't want to be too greedy. I'll take them off up here if it hits it.
Take it.
Not quite. I'm trying to get like high a day.
85 or something.
Yeah, 84, 50 or something like that. I guess it's not quite. I'm just right in that area. Got really close. But I think it does it. Especially after that move, it just ripped off the bottom. It's crazy. I think we end up going higher on the day. Well, at least temporarily.
Where do your eyes go when I'm in a room? You give me the kickback now, I'm stuck in a loop. Avert the contact, avoid the you. I gave what I had, so if you wanna leave, that's not my call. Oh, that's between your spirit and your mind.
Gonna do it, isn't it? Oh my gosh. 1 point away.
Yeah.
Oh shit, that last 1 minute was crazy. I'd be surprised if it didn't go a little higher after that. Holy moly. I would shake my pants live on stream.
Holy something in the wind. In my dreams I've seen your face. Brave as ever known. I watched your soul.
Doing a little tease.
You asked for my hand, I gave you mine. For the last time, you looked in my soul, you said it's time. You'll be just fine. I've seen holy smoke out the window. You rise up through the shadows with a new glow. Farewell, my friend. It's over now. Beware, my friend. Yeah. Sometimes my father's looking up. How he yearns to hear your voice. If there's a God, how could he mold a life so cruel yet so bold? You asked for my hand, I gave you mine. For the last time, you looked in my soul, you said it's time. You'll be just fine. I've seen holy smoke out the window. You rise up through the shadows with a new glow. Farewell, my friend. It's over now. Beware.
Missed it by a point. We'll see if it gets there.
I've seen holy smoke out the
You know, the market is like a woman.
What?
I said the market is like a woman. She tests your patience. You gotta be patient. Just believe and trust. When it tickles your take profit but doesn't fill you, you can't get mad. Just a little tease, you know, it's just a little game. Oh, it's like 1 point away. Oh, hey, all right, we're out.
Nice.
Well,
Nice little boost.
yes, sir. You know, if it reclaims 290, I want to see it move all the way to like 360. $350, $360 would be the target.
We drove from coast to coast, down to New Orleans where the levees broke. 'Cause you were tripping, I was driving, you were running, I was hiding, and you know I know how that feels. Don't get cheated, kid, just swing from your
I'm
heels.
just waiting for my brain to tell me go.
You're what?
For my brain. For my brain to tell me something. It's been a nice steady climb.
Yeah.
Very slow. Nice little trend line there.
Up on the mountain, caught on the red light. Up on the mountain, caught on the red light. Trees are swaying in the breeze. They're saying summer living is easy.
Gonna be hitting 300 around 10 o'clock.
And there is some lovely you came by with money, rejoicing in the simple
Yeah, that 4 hour looks absolutely primed to rip.
Mary Jane. 'Cause there's a party.
You got those like that resistance around like 290, and it holds right here. It's printed a nice hammer holding right at it after closing above it the previous 4 hour. Could be a juicer. 1 hour has a big hammer on it.
Well, we are young and those dreams we have are running around our crazy head.
Yeah, I think we go higher. Guess we have news at 10. I don't think it should do much.
You don't have to 5 seconds.
Come on down, Mary Jane.
We're going higher! For real, 360.
But don't keep score. Drunk in love or drunk at war. It don't matter.
Maybe I should have held one runner. And just let it see where it goes. I debated it.
Mary Jane, won't you come on down? 'Cause there's a party in this town. We don't care, no we don't
Yeah, you probably should have.
Alright, I'm getting back in.
can wear your hair down, baby. Oh, you can wear your hair down. You can wear your hair down, baby. Oh, you can wear your hair
You listen to Mount Joy? This pump is biblical.
Sorry, what'd you say? Do I listen to who?
Mount Joy?
Never heard of him.
Ooh. Let me put you on, brother.
Gem?
Yeah, fire. I don't know, it's kind of like a indie, bluegrassy, rocky. Listen to like a Silver Lining. Listen to like More, Dirty Love, Let Loose. Can't really go wrong. But yeah, if you look at their top songs, what Silver Linings, huh?
Mountain Joy?
Yeah, just like MT space Joy. Yeah, Silver Lining, Dirty Love, those are probably the most popular. And then they have a new album coming out, I think like this month or next month or something.
I'll take a look.
It's pretty chill. It's like rocky, bluegrassy. Good stuff. This pump, holy moly.
See if I get anything around 350.
Touring some apartments today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Near job.
Actually farther away from my job than where I currently live, but
Yeah.
like closer to like parts of the city that actually have stuff to do. Right now there's like nothing around where I live. And I'm just living with my brother and sister-in-law and my niece.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I don't know like anybody here besides people I met through work, so I'm trying to move to like an apartment where I can actually go out and do stuff. Try to meet some people. Also have my own space in case there's a girly in my life, just in case.
This market hasn't taught you anything, has it?
Nah, dude. I've learned a lot in the past month. But I'm ready to be heartbroken all over again. Wonder how Fooley's doing. I haven't talked to Fooley in a minute. Is he really on?
Yvonne, yeah.
See Fooley online. I know he's trading. I know that. I know he is.
Yeah, I reviewed his trades the other day.
I think you guys just went over them together.
Trades
Oh, okay.
Allen. Yeah, I just looked through his trades. I looked at his trades. I'm like, sorry, you need to chill. Kind of forcing trades, over trading a little bit,
Hmm.
rubbing them a bit.
And I do not intend. Oh, it's pissing. Is it still raining? Maybe I'll go on a run. You know about Sticky Fingers?
I love Sticky Fingers.
Hell yeah. My guy. Alright, you'll like Mountjoy then. It's different, but if you can appreciate that vibe, I think you'll vibe with Mountjoy.
Nice. Yeah, I got it open. I just haven't pressed play. You like Oliver Tree?
Yeah. I'm not like super familiar, but let me look because I know I have some. Yeah.
Oliver Tree is he's the man.
Yeah, he's a goofball. Yeah, I don't have too many songs, but I might have a couple. The Miss You for sure. That's a banger.
You heard All I Got?
Mm-mm. Let me check it out.
It's been stuck in my head.
His haircut, his whole vibe is just, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with that guy.
It's like you can't take him serious, but his music is good.
Yeah. No, yeah, his stuff's vibey. But yeah, I guess it worked.
Like, he knew he was like musically talented, but like he also wanted to be a comedian in life or something. So he like just mixes the two and it just works. He's funny though.
Oh yeah, I've heard this. I recognize the chorus. Yeah, he has like it's like indie, but like a little bit of like, I don't want to say like EDM, but kind of like EDM a little bit. Like he's got like the synthy electric sounds, and then like the catchy like repeatable choruses.
His earlier stuff was very like punk.
It's just really, it just hit 350. It's really about to hit 360. Damn, I just, without a single red candle from that bottom, insane.
Yeah, you definitely needed a run.
I mean, I had runners. I just sold them at like 60 points instead of holding for 140. I got in at like 220. It hurts. It hurts to watch. No,
it's all hindsight, but like there's a nice trend line going up. I would honestly just keep a runner until it breaks that trend line to the downside. But it's hindsight now.
Yeah.
Like right now, my stop would probably be like break a 320. But it is hitting a resistance area, so I'd probably be looking to sell around this area.
For sure. Yeah, I just...
Still a good trade though. For sure.
I took my first trim when it hit VWAP, because that's usually a pretty good resistance. And it was below VWAP, so I was like, well...
Be safe, yeah.
If it does form a lower high there, I don't want to like bag hold.
Exactly.
So I took off most of my position at VWAP, and then I just held runners till my next resistance, which was like 290 area, and that was when I got out. Yeah, I had two runners, so I could have taken one off there and held one more, which I debated, but
there you go.
Yeah, that probably would have been the move, and then hold another up to like 350. Holy shit, 130 points. It would have been pretty crazy.
I held that runner like night.
Damn. Is it raining?
Put in trade chat.
Damn, broke 360. Wow, what a trade. Damn, okay.
I went short like
Right at the top, yeah.
I sold some like very early.
And then held a run. Was that a single runner all the way down to like 180? Holy shit.
Yeah.
Damn, dude, like 140
I
points.
sold at the bottom and then it had that huge like.
That's beautiful.
I was talking to Fooly, he was in that one too. But I don't know, he was up like a ton, but he had taken like multiple losses prior. I guess he got kind of stupid and didn't sell anything, ended up break even on that.
Oh god. Yeah, dude,
He had a bad day that day.
dude, this run is crazy that this thing is on right now. That 5-minute chart is just stupid.
Mm-hmm. Green. 7 greens in a row.
I need to make this work so I can buy my girl a Birkin. a Birkin and a AMG.
Kitty needs a new scratching post.
Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. I'll get her a churro, or whatever they're fucking called. Churro. You know what I'm talking about? Cat treats.
I can imagine, but no.
Dude. There's all sorts of like versions of it, but I'm about to put you on kitty game. I've not met a cat that doesn't like fiend these things. They're nasty. It's like cat Go-Gurt essentially, but they fucking love them, dude.
Cat what?
Like cat Go-Gurt. It's like a it's like a puree in a tube.
Huh.
I'm sending a screenshot in trade chat. Somebody's gonna be like, "What the hell are we doing with cat treats in here?"
Trading and then cats.
Hey.
Kind of liking this.
Rejection off 360. I mean, I'd expect it to do something.
Starting kind of like. I don't know.
All right, I threw it in trade chat.
Just wait for that. Wait for that trend break first. Right now it's at like 340 for the trend break.
There's different brands, but it's like they're all kind of the same thing. It's like it looks like a Go-Gurt, dude. I'm telling you, I've not met a cat that doesn't go crazy for him, dude. Like my cat's not big into treats, but like these, if I open one, he comes like running across the house.
My cat's big into treats.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and delete that so we're not so people aren't confused. But yeah.
Last 5 minutes was a nice little wick. As long as it doesn't break that. Might You're probably done though, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, not interested. Damn, you messed up.
My next resistance was right where it just touched. Was at 372. 373 is my next level, right where it's at.
Yeah, fucked up. AA round.
Brother, it was a good day. Don't try to kill my vibe.
Nah, I'm messing with you.
I'm trying to be a good boy, follow my rules, trade smart.
What are you looking at today? One bedroom?
Yeah, like studio, one bedroom.
Right.
Shit's fucking expensive out here, boy. I mean, not as bad as like Denver, Seattle, but holy moly. Just rent in general.
How much?
I'd say the average is probably around like 14. I'm trying to keep it under 13. I found a couple spots that are like 12 something, which isn't too bad.
Bro, I wish.
Oh, I know. I bet Miami's absolutely dumb.
You get, for like 15, you'll get like a one bedroom piece of crap in the hood.
Yeah, no, it's I should definitely clarify and say that it's not bad as opposed to other places I've lived here, but still. Why can't it just be free? Why can't everything be mine? I just don't want to spend like too much of my income on rent, so it frees up shit so I can actually spend money on stuff I want to do, as opposed just to spend it just to live. Also, I have a spot to live right now, and my rent's like pretty cheap because I'm just living with my brother, but I don't really have my own space, so I'm willing to spend a little bit more.
Always nice.
Yeah.
Have you heard of Atlas Genius?
What was that? Atlas what?
Atlas Genius?
No, is that a musician?
Pretty decent. They got a couple of good ones. Maybe you've heard of them.
Maybe.
Listen to Trojans. Atlas Genius.
Found it. Let me see.
I think you like it.
I don't think I've heard this. I don't think so. Sounds pretty catchy so far.
Yeah, right? It's vibey.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Damn, I kind of want to go for a run, but it's pissing outside. Maybe I'll just do like a workout in my garage or something. I need to do something.
Day off and it's freaking raining today. Wanted to go ski, I just got a new board.
Nice. It's raining down there?
It was this morning. I think it's gonna be like on and off.
Yeah. It's gonna be humid as hell, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, the South is... It's different.
Do you like Dragon Ball Z?
To tell you the truth, I would say yes, but I'm a poser because I don't really like watch it or follow it at all. So I watched it a bunch as a kid, but I haven't seen anything since, and that was like early 2000s.
Look at trade chat.
But yeah, my brothers and I used to watch the shit out of Dragon Ball Z when we were kids. I just haven't really. I know people are. Oh, what? That's fucking sick. That's so sick. Damn, okay.
Oh, it's breaking that trend line.
Kame.
Tempted. I'm very tempted. Just need some confirmation. If it makes a new high, I'm just, I don't know, I'm probably done.
Are you looking for a long or short?
It's short.
Gotcha. Probably want to see it fall back below like what, like 340? That 350 ish. That 1 minute lower or higher low. But yeah, it's rejecting right off that level I have, right at 373, 374. I didn't change my strategy a ton, but I just started using levels off the 8-hour chart.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it's been pretty solid. I mean, today's, I guess, Friday I took my trade based off that as well. But today was like the first real trade I took off of it. I mean, shit, man. It's seems to work pretty well. And then I just wait for like 5-minute confirmation of a hold or something, or some sort of indication. Then I have like VWAP and some EMAs that are just like general. I don't know. I don't like base my trades off of those, but sometimes I use them as like targets. Yeah, this day is crazy. Pumper. All right, my friend. I think I'm gonna hop off for the day, and I'll be back. All right, man. Yeah. I'll be here all week. I'll be trading. So.
Yeah, same. Rest of the week. Yep.
All right, my friend. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Hopefully, you get able to get out and skate, my man.
I know. All right, man. Peace.
Take it easy. Don't forget, Mountjoy. Bust it.
Right now.
All right. Later, man.
All right, man. Peace.
All right. Chatty chat. There's nobody in my chat, so I'm talking to myself. But we're going to pretend like there's thousands of people watching and I'm the most interesting trader ever and everybody loves me. Let's take a look at this trade. Why did I take it? How did I know? How am I so smart? Let's take a look at this shit. So basically coming into the day, I'll just start off. 8-hour, we're looking bullish. Why do I say we're looking bullish? Made a big move up, consolidated, pulled back, held an area of support, made a move higher, and we were forming, well, we had this resistance here around like 290. But we had rejected off this a little bit, pulled back and formed a higher low here. Held this support, which is a good sign, and then we we're moving higher. So 8 hour, and we were above Friday's highs. We were above Friday's highs. So we had moved up over the weekend. Bullish indicator. 4 hour, same thing, right? Downtrend. We broke out of that. We made a higher low, and we had broken higher, closed higher, and then we were kind of pulling back. So what did I want to see? I want to see us hold level support. Ideally, or initially, I was thinking holding of 290 here. But once we pulled back into here and held this, then that was game time as well. So same thing, we're above Friday's highs. We were in a downtrend. We kind of broke out of that. And this is on all time frames, right? From the daily to the 8 hours, the 4 hours, the 1 hour, all of these, right? Downtrend, broke higher, and we broke above these little swing highs here, and we were pulling back into support or potential support. So when we didn't hold 290, that was my original plan. We hold 290 and we make this move up. When we didn't hold 290, then I'm looking for the next support. And I said, well, if we hold here at 220, which is a level of support that I have, that is still a higher low, right? We have this low, we have this low, this would be a higher low after forming higher high, higher high, higher high. So that trend remains intact on all those time frames. Then we pull to the 5-minute chart. We have a little bust down, and then we come down and we sweep this. We see volume pick up as we come down and try to like sweep this support. We hold it. We form a hammer with a nice long wick, and then I entered shortly after. I entered, stop below low a day, target 1 at VWAP, target 2 at this level of resistance at 290, and we cranked all the way up to this next level, 375. So definitely could have held a runner a little bit longer, definitely could have capitalized a little bit more, but it is what it is, baby. We made it. Yeah, that's really it. About 30 points on that first trim, about 60 points on the second trim. Maybe could have held a little longer, but feeling pretty good. So we're just gonna try to get these 2 evals up to PA status, and then I'll have 3 PAs, and then I'm gonna be making so much money that I'll